Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a fantastic percentage and expenditure problem straight from the SSC CGL 2024 exam. Let's look at the question on the screen. We have a man who consumes 20 kilograms of rice and 8 kilograms of wheat every month. We are told the price of rice is 20% of the price of wheat, and his total monthly budget for both is 300 rupees. Here's the twist: the price of wheat shoots up by 20%. Our job is to figure out exactly how much he needs to reduce his rice consumption, in percentage, so he doesn't spend a single rupee over that 300 rupees budget. We are also given that the price of rice and the amount of wheat he eats stays exactly the same. Let's break down the solution step by step, starting with the first slide. First, we need to find the original prices. The problem says the price of rice is 20% of the price of wheat. That means wheat is 5 times more expensive than rice. So, let's keep it simple. Let the price of rice per kilogram be y. That makes the price of wheat per kilogram 5y. Now we can set up our equation based on his monthly consumption. He buys 20 kilograms of rice at price y, plus 8 kilograms of wheat at price 5y, and that equals his total budget of 300 rupees. Let's solve for y. 20y plus 40y equals 300. 60y equals 300. So, y equals 5. Perfect. Now we know our baseline. The original price of rice is 5 rupees per kilogram, and the original price of wheat is 5 times that, which is 25 rupees per kilogram. Now for the change. The problem states the price of wheat increases by 20%. What is a 20% increase on 25 rupees? Well, 20% of 25 is 5. So, we add 5 rupees to the original price. The new price of wheat is now 30 rupees per kilogram. Moving to the second slide, this is where we balance the budget. The golden rule here is that his total expenditure must stay locked at 300 rupees. Remember, the problem told us his wheat consumption doesn't change. He still needs his 8 kilograms of wheat. So, let's calculate his new grocery bill for wheat. 8 kilograms at the new price of 30 rupees per kilogram equals 240 rupees. If he spends 240 rupees on wheat out of his 300 rupees budget, how much money does he have left for rice? Simple subtraction. 300 minus 240 leaves him with exactly 60 rupees for rice. Since the price of rice hasn't changed, it's still 5 rupees per kilogram. How much rice can he buy with his remaining 60 rupees? We divide 60 by 5, which gives us 12 kilogram. He used to consume 20 kilograms of rice, and now he can only afford 12 kilogram. The question asks for the percentage reduction. To find this, we take the amount reduced, divided by the original amount, and multiply by 100. He dropped from 20 kilograms to 12 kilograms, which is a reduction of 8 kilogram. Let's plug that into the formula. 8 divided by 20 times 100, which is exactly 40%. There we have it. He needs to reduce his rice consumption by 40%. Looking back at our options on the first slide, option 1 is the correct answer. These types of expenditure and consumption percentage problems are very common in the SSC CGL exams. The trick is to establish your baseline prices first, apply the changes, and always keep an eye on what constraints the problem gives you, like keeping the total budget constant. If this step-by-step breakdown helped you out, please drop a like on the video and subscribe for more math shortcuts and solutions. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more questions from the 2024 paper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.